What if I told you there's a tropical island in the Indian Ocean that blends African, Indian, European, and Chinese cultures, and it's not a made-up paradise? Welcome to Mauritius. Mauritius is a small island nation located about 2,000 kilometers off the southeast coast of Africa, east of Madagascar. Despite its remote location, it's one of the most developed countries in Africa and is known for its stability, diversity, and remarkable beauty. The island itself is of volcanic origin, formed millions of years ago by undersea eruptions. That means much of the landscape is dotted with craters, dramatic peaks, and black basalt rock formations, all surrounded by coral reefs and turquoise lagoons. There's even an underwater waterfall illusion near Le Morne that looks like something straight out of a fantasy film. The capital city is Port Louis, located on the northwest coast. It's a hub of commerce and culture, with colorful markets, colonial architecture, and modern skyscrapers standing side by side. Despite being a financial center, Port Louis still manages to feel relaxed, a reflection of the island's easygoing pace. Mauritius is home to just over 1.2 million people, and it's one of the most densely populated countries in Africa. But what makes it truly unique is the mix of people who live there. The majority of Mauritians are of Indian descent, but there are also communities with African, Chinese, French, and Creole roots. That mix is reflected in the languages spoken. English is the official language, French is widely used, and Mauritian Creole is spoken in everyday life. The religious landscape is just as diverse. Hinduism is the largest religion, followed by Christianity, Islam, and Buddhism. And yet, interfaith harmony is the norm here, with temples, churches, and mosques often found just blocks apart. Mauritius was first discovered by Arab sailors in the Middle Ages, but it was the Portuguese who first visited in the 1500s. The Dutch were the first to colonize the island in the 1600s, naming it after Prince Maurice of Nassau. They introduced sugar cane and unfortunately also brought enslaved people from Madagascar. But by the early 1700s, the Dutch abandoned the island. The French then took over and ruled Mauritius for nearly a century, calling it Ile de France. They left a lasting impact on Mauritian culture and language. After the Napoleonic Wars, the British took control in 1810 and ruled the island until it gained independence in 1968. Today, Mauritius is a republic within the Commonwealth, and it remains politically stable and democratic. Despite having no natural resources like oil or gold, Mauritius built a strong economy through tourism, textiles, sugar, and financial services. Its beaches and luxury resorts attract visitors from around the world, but the island also invests heavily in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Mauritius is also famous for something that's no longer here, the dodo. This large flightless bird went extinct in the late 1600s, less than a century after humans arrived. The dodo has since become a symbol of extinction and a reminder of how human activity can affect biodiversity. But Mauritius isn't just a tourist destination or a case study in environmental loss. It's a living, breathing country with one of the highest Human Development Index scores in Africa. It has a literacy rate over 90%, free public health care, and one of the lowest poverty rates on the continent. And perhaps most surprisingly, Mauritius has no standing army. Its national security is handled by the police and a paramilitary special mobile force, showing that peaceful societies can thrive without large military forces. From volcanic peaks to coral reefs, from sugar plantations to modern cities, Mauritius is a small island with a big story. It's a place where cultures collide, where history is layered, and where the future looks bright. So now you know, Mauritius isn't just a honeymoon destination. It's one of the most remarkable and peaceful countries on Earth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed. Have you ever been to Mauritius? Let us know in the comment section below.